Hey there, are you driving without these 30 essential car accessories? You might be missing out on comfort, safety, and style every single day. From must-have tech gadgets to life-saving tools, these accessories will completely transform your ride. Stay tuned because I'm revealing the ultimate list every car owner needs right now. So check the link in the description below to grab your favorites before they run out. Number 1. KIYODA USB C to C cable delivers lightning-fast PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 charging up to 60 watts with 480 megabits data transfer. Its coiled, retractable 3-foot design keeps your car clutter-free, perfectly compatible with iPhone 17, 16, 15 series, Samsung Galaxy S8 to S23, MacBook, and more. Durable, portable, and tangle-free. Grab 2 packs now. Number 2. Enzero Tools Car Seat Gap Filler solves the annoying problem of dropped items in your car. Made from durable, waterproof EVA with a textured finish, it features a phone holder, cup slot, and universal fit for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. Easy to install, it keeps your essentials organized and within reach. Number 3. FANSUIT Nylon Universal Cable Tie Buckle is a heavy-duty, self-locking solution designed for car repairs and daily use. Made from durable, UV-resistant nylon, it secures fenders, engine covers, and wires effortlessly. Quick install, versatile, and compact. It saves time, replaces screws, and keeps your car or workspace perfectly organized. Number 4. CHOSMOYI Magnetic Leather Sunglass Holder is a sleek, high-quality car accessory designed to keep your eyewear secure. With soft faux leather, strong embedded magnets, universal fit for all visors, lightweight 53-gram design, easy one-handed operation, and versatility for multiple glasses, cash, or tickets, it ensures safe, organized, and stylish driving. Number 5. POPDA Windshield Cleaning Tool delivers spotless glass with ease. Featuring 5 reusable microfiber pads, a durable ABS scrubber head, and a 16-inch collapsible wand, it tackles dirt, grime, and smudges without scratches. Lightweight, versatile, and perfect for cars, trucks, RVs, and boats. Clean your windows faster and smarter than ever. Number 6. COFSODI Car Glass Breaker and Seatbelt Cutter is a must-have emergency tool. Made with military-grade carbon steel and ABS material, it quickly shatters glass and cuts seatbelts. Compact, portable, with reflective visibility, it ensures safety in fires, rollovers, or water emergencies. Reliable, efficient, and life-saving every time. Number 7. Luckybay Car Seat Side Organizer brings ultimate convenience and organization to your car. Made from durable 600D Oxford waterproof fabric, it features 3 spacious pockets, easy headrest hook and elastic strap mounting, universal fit, and secure storage for phones, drinks, and essentials, keeping your SUV or truck tidy, safe, and accessible on every drive. Number 8. QECQEC 2 pieces car perfume diffuser vent clip delivers a sleek aluminum design with 12 odorless refill sticks for long-lasting fragrance. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, it clips securely to car vents without scratches. Improve your car's air quality instantly. Enjoy a refreshing scent and elevate every drive effortlessly. Number 9. QUTOOL Lumbar Support Pillow delivers unmatched back comfort with high-density memory foam and ergonomic 3D mesh design. Adjustable straps fit office chairs, cars, or gaming seats perfectly, relieving upper, mid, and lower back pain, improving posture, and keeping you cool. Durable, portable, and ideal for all-day support. Experience ultimate relief today. Number 10. ROFIGL Cute Crochet Car Plant Monstera Essential Oil Diffuser Bottle is a 12 milliliter handmade green car accessory that combines style and functionality. Featuring durable double-layer cotton yarn, refillable design, personalized scent options, and dual car home use. It protects your bottle while adding freshness and charm to any space. Number 11. 8 Sandlion Car Rearview Mirror Wiper is a must-have for every driver. Made with premium soft rubber, it safely removes water, fog, and dirt without scratches. Its telescopic design extends up to 38.6 inches, ensuring clear mirrors from your seat. Compact, portable, layered brush head, fast, safe, and effortless cleaning. Number 12. Accmor Car Trash Can with Lid. This compact 0.5-gallon vehicle trash bin is leak-proof, crush-resistant, and made with durable, waterproof plastic. With its spring-loaded push-top lid, easy portability, and versatile design, it keeps cars, SUVs, and offices organized while doubling as an ashtray or cup holder. Perfect for every ride. Number 13. Mandark Car Seat Back Organizer delivers ultimate convenience for any vehicle. Crafted from premium PU leather, it features 3 spacious pockets, 1 transparent with elastic strap mounting for quick installation. Keep your car neat, store snacks, toys, or turn it into a mini trash bin, maximizing space and safety effortlessly. Number 14. Stalwart Heated Car Blanket is a must-have for cold drives. Made from soft polyester fleece, this 12-volt electric blanket heats up fast. Features a 60-inch cord for all passengers, folds easily for storage, and comes in stylish plaid. Perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, camping, or tailgating. Stay warm wherever you go. Number 15. SINGARO Coin Holder for Car is the ultimate dash-mounted organizer, compatible with coins of all sizes. Featuring 4 slots for pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. This sleek, universal plastic design keeps your console neat, offers versatile use at home or office, and ensures easy access to change anytime. Perfect for every driver. Number 16. Augeny brings style and convenience to your car with its 4 PCS USB LED interior atmosphere lamp. Plug-and-play design, energy-efficient LED lighting, durable plastic build, and dust-proof functionality create a relaxing ambiance. Universal fit, multiple color options, and versatile placement make driving safer, stylish, and fun. Number 17. buywoo Portable Stroller Mini Fan delivers ultimate cooling with 3-speed adjustable airflow and 360 degrees rotatable head. Its flexible tripod clip fits strollers, car seats, bikes, or treadmills. Lightweight, USB rechargeable, and safe for babies, it's durable, portable, and perfect for travel, outdoor walks, or home use, keeping you refreshed anytime. Number 18. LISEN 3-in-1 iPad holder transforms your car into the ultimate backseat entertainment hub. Featuring 4-axis 360-degree rotation, secure mounting for tablets 4.7 to 11 inches, and multi-purpose use as organizer and entertainment system. It keeps kids engaged, reduces driver distractions, and is quick to install. Perfect road trip essential for families on the go. Number 19. AUXITO Car Vacuum is a powerhouse 2-in-1 handheld cleaner with 14,000 PA suction, HEPA filter, and multiple nozzles for cars, home, pets, and office. Lightweight, cordless, and portable with Type-C fast charging. It easily cleans tight spots, inflates items, and saves space. Perfect gift for busy lifestyles. Let's dive in. Number 20. LumiMokki Premium Car Registration and Insurance Card Holder is a sleek, durable organizer made from high-quality PU leather and vinyl PVC. Featuring magnetic closure, multiple compartments for documents, cards, and licenses, it keeps everything secure, accessible, and stress-free. Perfect for tidiness, protection, and professional style. Number 21. Yicheyiyou car hooks are crafted with premium microfiber leather and stainless steel, holding up to 45 pounds per hook. These durable backseat headrest hangers organize bags, groceries, jackets, and more, saving space and protecting your car. Easy, tool-free installation makes every ride clutter-free and stress-free. Number 22. SINGARO Car Cup Holder Coaster delivers ultimate car convenience with its premium, non-toxic silicone construction. With a 3-port 1.5-inch diameter, universal fit, and durable, heat-resistant design, it prevents spills, scratches, and noise. Easy to install, clean, and remove, this 4-pack enhances every drive with style, protection, and comfort. Number 23. AUXITO Car Seat Headrest Hook starts your journey to ultimate car organization. Made from premium ABS plastic, these S-type hooks hold up to 55 pounds, fit most cars, rotate 360 degrees, and instantly clear clutter. Perfect for handbags, groceries, and baby supplies. Easy install, durable, and keeps your ride spotless. Grab yours now. Number 24. Rokuren 3-in-1 USB-C car charger is a game changer for your road trips. With a 57-watt fast charging output, retractable 2.62-foot cable, and triple port design, it powers iPhones 17, 16, 15, Androids, and more safely with overcharge and short-circuit protection. Perfect for daily commuting, travel, and as a thoughtful gift. Number 25. Bracketron Trip Grip Pro Car Phone Holder Mount is a game changer. One-button expansion secures phones up to 4.2 inches wide, while dual vent and dash mounting gives ultimate flexibility. With 360 degrees rotation, folding support legs, and universal compatibility, it ensures stability, safety, and hands-free convenience on every drive. Number 26. Tesson 200-watt car power inverter turns your vehicle's 12-volt DC into 110-volt AC effortlessly. Featuring 2 AC outlets and 4 USB ports with PD30W and QC18W fast charging. Compact, portable, with multi-protection and a silent cooling fan, it's perfect for camping, road trips, and powering laptops or phones safely. Number 27. Just Top Car Steering Wheel Desk delivers unmatched versatility for on-the-go productivity. Crafted from premium ABS, it features a cup holder, flat laptop surface, and pen slot. Easy to install, durable, and perfect for long drives or work travel. This compact, ergonomic tray transforms your car into a mobile office instantly. Number 28. Astro AI 2-1 Ice Scraper and Snow Shovel Kit delivers ultimate winter protection with a 2-in-1 snow brush and extendable shovel, adjustable lengths from 33.6 inches to 47.2, EVA anti-frost handles, fast buckle detachable design, and ergonomic grip. Perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs. It makes snow and ice removal effortless and safe. Number 29. Kujo Car Emergency Kit is a must-have for every driver. Packed with LED headlight, battery jumper cables, tire pressure gauge, non-slip gloves, first aid bandages, and emergency poncho, this durable 600D nylon kit ensures safety, convenience, and peace of mind on the road. Stay prepared, stay protected. Number 30. Fredisu Car Visor Tissue Holder is the perfect blend of style and functionality for your car. Crafted with genuine leather outside and soft flannelette inside, it's compact, easy to install, reusable, odorless, and fits most cars. Keep your tissues organized, enhance interior style, and enjoy clutter-free driving today.